Have you ever wondered what it takes to launch a business with seven-figure potential in just 48 hours? Imagine the thrill of overcoming your fears, picking the right idea, and scaling it to your first $1 million and beyond, all within a weekend. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, let me take you on a journey through the pages of $1 Million Weekend by Noah Kagan, where we unravel the surprisingly simple steps to make this dream a reality. Picture this. It's the year 2006, and you've just landed a job at Facebook as its 30th employee. The platform is skyrocketing, and you're holding on to stock options that could potentially lead to a billion-dollar payday. But suddenly, in a blink of an eye, it all comes crashing down. You're fired, just like that. This was Noah Kagan's reality. But instead of dwelling on the setback, he charted his own path and went on to start not one, but 8 different million-dollar businesses. Fast forward to 2013, when I stumbled upon Noah's guest post for Tim Ferriss on creating a million-dollar business. Since then, I've been captivated by his work. Now, his latest bestseller, $1 Million Weekend, encapsulates his journey from that blog post to building a business empire. So, let's dive into the essence of this transformative book, divided into 3 parts: start it, build it, and grow it. Today, we'll focus on the first 2 parts to help you kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. But before we delve into the lessons, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to spread the knowledge. Lesson 1. Overcome your fears of starting and asking with 2 challenges. Now, let's tackle the first lesson: overcoming the fear of starting and asking. These fears are the silent killers of many business dreams. Noah Kagan, through his experiences, offers 2 powerful challenges to combat these fears head-on. After Noah's stint at Facebook, he embarked on numerous side hustles, teaching Korean students, organizing local events, and more. His mantra? Be a starter, an experimenter, a learner. But most importantly, be fearless in taking that first step. To confront the fear of starting, Noah proposes the dollar challenge. It's simple. Ask someone you know for just $1 investment in your future business. This tiny investment not only pushes you out of your comfort zone, but also holds you accountable to someone else. Next up, the fear of asking. Noah's father imparted a valuable lesson. Embrace rejection. Make it a game to collect rejections because hidden among them are the precious yes. To cultivate this resilience, Noah suggests the coffee challenge. Go to Starbucks, order your favorite drink, and ask for a discount. It's uncomfortable, but it's a crucial step in building your confidence. Lesson 2. Tap 4 sources for your $1 million idea. Moving on to Lesson 2. Tapping into 4 sources for your $1 million idea. It's not about brainstorming in isolation. It's about solving real problems for real people. Noah outlines 4 strategies to uncover lucrative business ideas. Firstly, solve your own problem. If something irks you daily, chances are others face the same issue. Secondly, complement a bestseller. Enhance existing products or services to cater to niche needs. Thirdly, scour online marketplaces like eBay or Etsy. People are already spending money to solve problems. You just need to be the solution they're looking for. And finally, leverage Google. Search queries unveil common pain points and unmet needs. Dive deeper with 4 simple questions to unearth that $1 million idea. Feeling inspired yet? Remember, the key lies in identifying a problem worth solving. Now, let's explore how to validate your business idea before diving in headfirst. Lesson 3. Validate your biz with 3 paying customers in 48 hours. Lesson 3 is all about validation. Before pouring your heart and soul into a business venture, ensure there's real demand for your product or service. Noah's golden rule? Secure 3 paying customers within 48 hours. This isn't about hypothetical questions. It's about tangible commitments. Noah himself validated AppSumo with a simple landing page and PayPal button. Within days, he knew he had a winner. Conversely, if your idea doesn't gain traction, pivot or move on. Remember, the goal is to get those first dollars rolling in. And there you have it, the essence of $1 Million Weekend distilled into actionable steps. So, are you ready to embark on your own entrepreneurial journey? Don't let fear hold you back. Embrace it, challenge it, and conquer it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to subscribe, like, and share. Keep dreaming, keep hustling, and keep making those million-dollar weekends a reality.